Look, I'm still a great believer in Dubai, and I think Dubai's got great prospects over the next 5, 10, 20 years. If you still want to know more about why Dubai is a great place to make a property investment, get my book, The Intelligent Real Estate Investor, how you can still build your property empire in Dubai with $150,000 or less. However, if you're looking to sell your property, well, let's talk a little bit about control, okay? A lot of sellers, buyers, agents, they know that a transaction can easily be closed when you have control over the maximum variables possible. Yeah, so all the things that you can control, if you can have control over them, then you can most likely close a transaction. You know, it's a very simple philosophy from the days gone by, right? When you're a seller, you must identify what are the 3 or 4 things that you can control. So what can you control? Here's the things, here's the list. You can control the condition of your property. If your villa or apartment's run down, if the grass is grown longer than it should, if the paint's really worn off, if the rust is really showing, you know what? It's in your control to spend 1,000, 10,000 dirhams, 20,000 dirhams if it's a villa in Emirates Hills, to paint it, put the best lipstick, the best mascara, the best foundation on it, and make it shine like a new bride, right? You can do this. Not very difficult. You can control how you're going to allow viewings to your apartment or villa. Yeah? You definitely can do that. If you've got a tenant in there, you can speak to the tenant, incentivize him, do what you got to do. If you're living there, do what you got to do to make the apartment or villa available to the buyers at the drop of a hat. Do not try to be difficult. You can control this. At fair notice, let's just say this. Thirdly, you can control how your property gets positioned in the market with an experienced agent at the right marketing collateral supporting it. You can control that. You can position it the right way, yeah? You can tell the story your way. So these are a couple of things that you can control. You can choose the professional agent, you can control that. One thing you can't control is value and how value gets dictated. Value gets decided by the price that the buyer is willing to pay at the price that the market's willing to afford. This is something you can't control. If you take care and at least do a 90% effort on all the things that you can control, price will most likely take care of itself and you'll get a good price out of it. If you don't take care of the things that you can control and price is the only one you want to control, well, guess what? You're playing a loser's battle. You're going to lose out in the end because you, the buyer, and I don't control the value or the price that's exchanged for that villa. There's other factors not in your control that affect that, such as supply, yeah? Such as the economy, yeah? Such as the world economy, right? I hope I made myself clear. So just be logical about it, choose a good agent, somebody who can give you good advice, and you're on your way. All the best.